What's going on, everyone? Fast Food Toy Reviews here. Today we have Universal Family Favorites, set of 5 wonderful looking toys released by Wendy's back in 2005. Let's get them opened up and take a closer look. The first one is An American Tale. It reads right here, Steven Spielberg presents An American Tale, and this guy's name is Fievel. That's right. It looks like a book. Look at this. It's kind of cool. And let's look at the side here, and on the back it reads, Tip-top, terrific, and full of fun, a rollicking and endearing delight. It's a winner, so it's a review about the movie. So we open this up, and inside we have, it looks like a Fievel pocket watch. So we'll pull this open, and let's see what we got going on here. So it's got this really nice bronze finish to it, although it is plastic, and F for Fievel. So we open this up, and inside it's actually a compass. So we're faced north, south, east, and west, and there's Fievel hanging out in there. Close this up, and look at that. So you can attach like a little string or something to that and clip it along to your backpack or your pocket or whatnot. It looks really nice. It doesn't actually wind up, even though it looks like it wants to wind up. This is really heavy, actually. It's really cool. I like this. So there you go. It's the An American Tale Fievel compass. Awesome. Next we have Babe. So we need to open Babe and see what's going on in here. This one's really heavy. I think it's the heaviest out of all the toys that I see in the set here. So what do we got here? So there is Babe the pig, and let's look at the back, and it reads, fresh, original, and funny, an absolute delight. Oh, look at this. Complete puzzle by using magnetic wand to drag pieces into... Okay, so we need to open this. Look at this, huh? This should be fun. So we'll set this off to the side here. Ooh, okay. So we need our trusty handy-dandy scissors. Cut this open. And look at that. We got it. So let's pull this out of here and see what's going on. So we have this little thingy. Looks like this is the pen. It's supposed to help with the puzzle. And let's see. Oh, okay. So we have a barn. We have a barn door and some animals. Like we have some sheep. And we need to take this. So it's like a magnet, right? Yeah, I feel it. And we're supposed to move this along. It shows you here on the instructions how it's supposed to be magnetized. So let's see if we can get this to move around. So it kind of moves, but it's not strong enough. Oh, there we go. So we got one here. Come on, we can get it in there. And, well, this is tricky. Come on. We'll zoom in a little bit. So we got one. Let's see, can we get another one? They're all kind of like stuck here in the corner. We can see we loosen them up. Come on, get out of the corner. Get out of the corner, get out of there. Let's see if we help it. Can we help it move? Because it's like sticking, but it seems like it's just not powerful enough. Ugh. Come on, get out of there. Get him out. So the other ones are moving around, but just that one seems to be stuck. Can we move the door? Oh, we got another one. Well, this is tricky. It's like the magnet's not strong enough. So let's see if we can turn it. This is making me laugh. Okay, come on. Come on, we can get this. Uh-oh, there we go. We got one. Did we get one? Oh, we got one. Oh, we did. We had it for a second. Come on, get in your hole. And we got another one here. We'll slide this one. What about this one up here? Come on. It's just not strong enough. The magnets, it's not strong enough. They're not moving. And this one is stuck in a corner. Doesn't even want to move at all. No matter what I do. Come on out of there. Okay. And then when you're done, you just slide this back into place. And look at that. So there you have the Babe magnetic game thingy. Awesome. This one features Beethoven. So let's rip it open. And let's see what's going on in here. So there is Beethoven, and on the back it shows, oh, looks like we got some stuff to do. How to play Pick Up Bones. Okay, so there's a game in here. Ooh. Okay. Wow, so we got a bunch of bones here, and then of course on the back of the package it's the instructions, so we'll have to read those. So let's dump these out and have a look at these. Wow, there's a bunch. So there's green, purple, and yellow plastic little bones. Okay, so let's read this real quick. One player grabs the bones in one hand and drops them on the table. And the first player must pick up a bone without making any of the other bones move. The first player continues his turn as long as he doesn't move any bone but the one he's after. As soon as he makes a mistake, the next player takes over. Use only fingers to pick up bones. After all the bones are picked up, players match the color of the bones to point values. Highest score wins. So the pink bones are 5, the gold bones are 10, and the green ones are 20. All right, so let's try this. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. We're just going to take them and we're just going to dump them right out of my hands here. We're just going to dump them like this. And so, let's see, so the green ones are worth 20, so you got to pick them up. So I guess you would pick them up like this here and try to pick them up without moving any of the others. So we'll pick up this pink one. Oh, and I moved another one. I moved it, and then the next person would go and try to pick them up without moving any of the bones. So we can do this. My giant banana hands. I wouldn't be very good at this game. You guys would crush me at this game. And we grab and we just keep going. Oh, I could do this. This is lots of fun. This is definitely one of those fun games you sit around and play on family game night. So there you go. It's Beethoven. And next up is Casper, the Friendly Ghost. Okay, I remember this movie. That was a while ago. So let's see what's going on here. So we have Casper, and there's some of the characters from the movie. Very cool. We got some ghosts flying around. Let's see, Bill Pullman, Christina Ricci right there. And let's see, what does it read on the back here? A family fantasy comedy of astonishing technical achievement. Glow-in-the-dark two-sided puzzle. Expose this side to the light. Find out what glows. Puzzle looks like this when assembled. Okay, so let's take a look in here. It looks like we have a puzzle to play with. Okay, there we go. And let's see if we can put this thing together. There we go. So we have a bunch of pieces here. So this ought to be interesting. So we'll always start with the corner. So we got a corner. And there's a flat piece at the bottom for Casper. And we have another one, another flat piece. Let's see here. Where are the corner pieces? So that's what we're looking for. The corners. Always want to start with the corners. I love putting puzzles together. And so it looks like we take this one here. So this one's easy. So we can start spelling the word Casper. And let's see what we got here. And let's see. Does this one go here? Where does this one go? Does this one go here? No. And so this one's, look at this one, piece shaped like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Okay, we can get it. So here's another corner. So we'll just set this one up here for now. And let's see if we can get this put together. So we're looking for a flat edge one that fits the bottom right here. So maybe this one. Oh, it is this one. So this is the bottom one. And then, see, puzzles are always fun. Well, let's see. I think we need to speed things up and get moving along. And look at that, we did it. It took a minute, but we got it. And so there is Casper. So let's see if we can flip this over. We'll do this. We'll try to slide this under here. And let's try and flip this. Let's try and flip this. Oh no, we're going to mess it all up. We're going to flip this over. Oh, we're going to have to flip this over. All right, we got to flip it over. Okay, so we got it all flipped over. And I did mess with the glow-in-the-dark feature, and it really doesn't work that well. I think Probably because it's too old, but you can see all the ghosts where the outline here is with the different ghost characters, how they would glow, if it actually still worked. But this is really cool. So there's Casper making a funny face in the window. This is awesome. So there you go. It's Casper. The last one in the set is Back to the Future. That's right. One of my favorite movies from years ago. Back to the Future is an 80s classic. So what do we got here? So we got Michael J. Fox hanging out with the DeLorean. And let's see, what does it read on the back? A movie for all ages. Cool. Okay, so let's open this up. And what do we got? Oh, this is awesome. Yes, I love it. This is great. So we have the Time Machine DeLorean. Wow, look at that. Looks like you got a pullback feature, I think. Is that what it is? Oh, it's the pullback feature. This thing looks sweet. Let's give it a try. Oh, I love the pullback feature. You got to get it up to what, 88 miles an hour? Oh, that's so cool. Look at the little wheels that roll along underneath. This is great. So there you go. It's the Back to the Future car DeLorean thingy. And there you have it, everyone. Universal's family favorite set of 5 wonderful little toys released by Wendy's back in 2005. This is a classic set for sure. You got Back to the Future, Babe, An American Tail, Beethoven, and Casper the Friendly Ghost. And each one comes with a lot of fun things to do. You got the puzzles, the pickup game with the bones, a compass, a puzzle thing, and of course, I think my favorite, the DeLorean pullback little car. This is awesome. So I think the Back to the Future one's my favorite. What's your favorite? Let me know down below. Tell me all about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you again next time.